Hey everyone! Today we're talking about hyponatremia, when sodium levels in the blood are lower than normal. I'll guide you on assessing and correcting hyponatremia after a bowel prep for a colonoscopy. We'll do calculations, discuss infusion rates, and highlight sodium and glucose facts. Let's get into it. Our patient is a 50-year-old male preparing for a colonoscopy. Before his bowel regimen, his sodium was 134 milliequivalent per liter, within the normal range. After the prep, his sodium dropped to 127 milliequivalent per liter. He's asymptomatic, so let's correct his sodium safely. Let's quickly touch on hyperglycemia and hyponatremia. High glucose levels draw water out of cells, diluting sodium. To correct sodium for hyperglycemia, we use this formula. This helps us understand the true sodium status. When do we need to replace sodium? For symptomatic patients, confusion, seizures, or severe fatigue, we must act fast. In severe hyponatremia, especially below 120 milliequivalent per liter, urgent correction is required. But for asymptomatic patients with sodium at 127 milliequivalent per liter, we can correct gradually. Now, let's move to the calculations. Our goal is to increase this patient's sodium by 4 to 6 milliequivalent per liter over 24 hours. We're aiming to raise it from 127 to 131 milliequivalent per liter. Here's how we calculate the volume of saline needed. First, we estimate the total body water, TBW. For males, TBW is 60% of body weight. Assuming our patient weighs 70 kilograms, to increase sodium by 4 milliequivalent per liter, we use this formula. We need approximately 1.09 liters of 0.9% saline to achieve our target. Since our patient is asymptomatic, we'll use a slow infusion. Infusing 1.09 liters over 12 to 24 hours gives us a rate of 45 to 90 milliliters per hour. We want to correct sodium gradually to avoid complications like osmotic demyelination syndrome. What if the patient was symptomatic, like having seizures? We'd opt for a bolus infusion of 100 milliliters of 3% hypertonic saline. For asymptomatic patients, a slow infusion of 0.9% normal saline is appropriate. Normal saline bags usually come in 500 milliliter or 1000 milliliter sizes. We'd use a 1000 milliliter bag for this patient's correction. Typical infusion rates range from 75 to 100 milliliters per hour, but for gradual correction, a rate of 45 to 90 milliliters per hour is safe. Rapid infusion is generally above 100 milliliters per hour and is reserved for emergencies. Quick fun fact: sodium is crucial for nerve and muscle function. It regulates electrical signals in the body. High glucose draws water out of cells, causing dilutional hyponatremia. We adjust sodium levels in hyperglycemia for accurate assessment. In summary, our patient needs about 1.09 liters of normal saline to correct his sodium. Infuse this slowly at 45 to 90 milliliters per hour depending on the target duration. Monitoring sodium levels is key to avoiding complications. And that's how you approach hyponatremia correction. Hit like and subscribe for more clinical tips. Drop questions in the comments. See you in the next video.